group with Dylan, Clay, and Ansley to do our stats project.
And I'm Dylan. We decided to do our project on reaction time. We're trying to see if reaction time varies with age. The population of our experiment is Providence students. We took a simple random sample of 3 students per grade from kindergarten through 12th grade for a total of 39 students.
We used a reaction time game that we found online in order to collect our data. This game requires you to tap the screen as soon as the dot on the screen turns from red to yellow. It repeats this process 5 times and puts together the student's average reaction time in seconds based on how quickly they tap the yellow dot.
Hi, I'm Ansley, and we hypothesized that as age increased, reaction time would also increase. This would mean that there would be a direct correlation between age and reaction time. Here are some video clips of how we conducted our experiment.
All right, what grade are you guys in?
Kindergarten.
Okay. So who wants to go first? All right.
All right, your average was 0.524 seconds.
Woo!
All right, you want to know your reaction time?
Yeah.
Your reaction time was 0.402. You're just a little bit faster than Lily. Play now. All right, and your reaction time was 0.375. So, out of all of those, Jackson, you are the fastest. High five, man, high five. Nice.
How old are you?
7.
All right, and your average time was 0.58. All right, and your average time was 0.411. That's still pretty fast. That's good. And yours was 0.442. So you are our winner. Congratulations. Hey, you guys.
And your ages?
9.
Oh, cool. All right.
All right, let's see. Your average time was 0.434. All right. Yours was 0.459. Oh, and hers was 0.353.
Whoa, she's really fast.
What was your average time? 0.348. That's all right. What was your time? 0.452. All right, and your average was 3.366.
Okay, thank you.
So who won?
I think
Jeremiah. Jeremiah won. Nice. All right.
So what grade are you guys in?
7.
All right.
All right. What was your time? Your average time.
0.426.
All right. All right. What was your average time?
0.582.
0.582. 0.404. Nice.
Ooh.
That's good.
Okay, and your average was?
0.399.
And yours?
Average was 0.312.
All right.
And your average time?
0.347.
0.347. So looks like Austin was the winner.
Woo. And ages.
16.
0.323. That's not bad. Your average was?
0.399.
And your average was?
0.317.
0.317. McCray was the fastest. Very nice.
Ages.
17, 16, 17.
Okay. What was your average?
0.368.
And your average was?
0.316.
And your average was?
353.
We found there to be a moderate negative linear relationship between age and reaction time. This is so because the points are mostly in the same area, making it moderate. The dots are sloping down to the right, making it negative, and finally, it is linear because there would be some sort of pattern if it were not linear.
Our residual plot shows the residuals on the vertical axis and the independent variable age on the horizontal axis. The residuals are pertinent because they confirm that a linear regression is appropriate. We can tell the linear regression is appropriate because the points on the residual plot are randomly dispersed.
We found our r squared to be 0.2001, our r to be negative 0.447, our y-intercept to be 0.5102, and our slope to be negative 0.0088. We used the formula y equals a plus bx and filled in our y-intercept and slope, and then filled in the y-intercept and slope into the rise over 1 equation using the change in x and change in y to determine that for every 1 year increase in age, x, the reaction time of the students decreased by 0.008 seconds. Thus, speed increased with age.
Through the y-intercept, we find that when a person is 0 years of age, their reaction time would be 0.5102 seconds. This does not make any practical sense because an unborn person would not react to anything.
In conclusion, we proved our hypothesis that reaction time would decrease with age, thus speed increased with age.
We found that a thorn in our project was that we should have chosen a more entertaining game for the kids.
In our project, it helped that we planned ahead in getting teachers' permission to borrow a few of their students for our experiment.
We suggest for future projects that students start their project as early as possible and communicate with all the members of your group well.
I hopped on my car at 8:15, got my tablet and calc in hand. Walking to the land of stats and graphs, woo! Am I gonna get in? Jumped into class, here I am, never on time. Look to the right and I see all the class times. This is all so complex, everybody looks so on task. My sample size isn't simple or random, too little data, now I'm nervous. So look down and grab my calculator, plot statsless editor. Plot statsless editor, plot statsless editor. So put my table out, graph and a long stats editor on the side. Custom BS like yeah, checking normal curves like yeah. Got my TI-89, I know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, 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 it's a party in statistics class. Yeah, 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 it's a party in statistics class. Looked outside, not a card in hand, Norm is laughing at me now. Like, what's a histogram again? I remember when I had that down. So hard with Miss Hughes not around me. That's definitely not a linear equation. What's the central limit theorem? Is this a C or a T test? My sample size isn't simple or random. Too little data, now I'm nervous. So look down and grab my calculator. Plot statsless editor. Plot statsless editor. Plot statsless editor. So pull my table out, graph and a long stats editor on the side. Custom BS like yeah, checking normal curves like yeah. Got my TI-89, I know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, 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 it's a party in statistics class. Yeah, 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 it's a party in statistics class.
And we are trying to see if there's a reaction time there.
It repeats this process 5 times and then puts together an average of the student's reaction time in seconds. Based
We took a simple random sample of the students with 3 per grade, and oh god.
yeah, so say yours.
I
We can still use the beginning.
So from my table out, too little data, now I'm nervous.
Oh, my bad.